If you need to recover your regulator underwater, there's nothing to worry about. You can master this skill quickly with these easy steps. With your right hand, remove the regulator. Blow a constant stream of small bubbles. Keep the mouthpiece of the regulator facing down. Drop the regulator behind your right shoulder. Lift your right arm and lean to the right, creating a gap between you and the regulator. Sweep down along the side of your body, touching your leg, and then the tank, and then swing your arm out and to the front. With your left hand, recover the regulator hose that is now hanging over your right arm. Place the regulator back in your mouth and clear it using the method of your choice.